Hello, today we're talking about DAV. DAV is a framework of open source software and hardware and a free decentralized marketplace where anyone can buy and sell autonomous transportation services using DAV tokens. As you see, it's an abbreviation, Decentralized, A, autonomous, V, vehicle, that allows to discover, communicate and transact with one another using DAV tokens. As you see on the main page of this project, you have to enter your email address and press the button Join in order to join the community and to become a participant of this project. If we go further, we see below that this platform is represented different social networks such as Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn and others. And as they show, this team was built from the best brands like GM, NASA, Google, IBM, Ethereum and others. And below you also can see videos with this, for instance, is with the one of the advisors of the project, and here is a founder and CEO of project. And this project shows that the future of transportation will act as a network of autonomous vehicles, and you can be a part of it. And this will give you opportunity to earn some cash and use all the services using DAV tokens. For instance, if you own a car and you don't drive your car 20 hours a day, but you can give your vehicle to the DAV, and this will allow you to earn some tokens which can be converted into ordinary cash. This project uses three major components like decentralized discovery, trustless cooperation tools and communication protocol. As for the decentralized discovery, it means that all the autonomous vehicles can discover each other as well as service providers and clients around them. And the DAV implements decentralized node discovery using a peer-to-peer protocol that doesn't rely on a central server. As for communication protocol, this means that the communication is divided into two groups: on-blockchain communication done directly by calling smart contracts and through event emitted by those smart contracts, and off-blockchain communication done peer-to-peer using DAV's protocols. And trustless cooperation tools, it is the communication between buyers and sellers of transportation services, and such a level of trustless cooperation is achieved using a series of specialized smart contracts. And this project is blockchain based. This means that the blockchain technology enables a verifiable ledger of historical data from autonomous vehicles, service providers and users needed for insurers and third parties. A completed decentralized system that isn't controlled by any government, bank or company, a global payment standard between vehicles and their supporting infrastructure, a built-in smart mission contract which enables trustless cooperation between multiple vehicles and service providers. And here is some information about prototypes which were built less than a year ago, maybe half a year ago. Here is the roadmap of the project looks. So as you can see here, the DAV was founded a little bit more than 1 year ago, and now we're here in this point, the first quarter of 2018. There will be a first drone delivery negotiated and completed autonomously. So by the end of the second quarter of 2019, there will be decentralized non-autonomous delivery service released. So as we can see here, the project perspectives are really very big scaled. So let's hope that this will be done in practice. So here is the team of the project. You can see here automotive advisors, airspace advisors, internet infrastructure advisors, and others. And here is also the Ethereum technology advisors, and here is a team of open source contributors, and here are members of DAV Alliance. Any company can join the alliance, and strategic partners. And here you can see the fundraising goals. For instance, here's token distribution that shows that 40% of token sale contributions will be sold on ICO and pre-ICO stages. 25% of tokens will be given for bounties and partnerships, 20% for long-term budget, and 15% for team and advisors. This will be vested for some period of time. So if we go here, we can see the use of proceeds, and as we see, about half of this, 45%, will be given for research and development. 20% of funds will be given for expansion and operations, 15% for marketing and business development, and 10% for each of these legal and compliance and general administrative costs. So as you see here, the soft cap of project is $5 million, the hard cap is $38 million, and the cost of tokens looks this way. You can buy 10,000 DAV tokens for 1 Ethereum. So you can see here also the latest daily DAV news about this project, and on the bottom of the site you see the section of frequently asked questions. Here is a date of token sale. It will take place starting from the 13th of April by the 14th of May. And you see here the restrictions. For instance, citizens of US, South Korea, Japan or China cannot participate in this project. So, and in order to know more, you can join the Telegram community here and write your messages to these electronic addresses: relations, info, and careers. You can join to pre-sale stage if you write here, or you can know information about partnerships and general inquiries, or you can apply for jobs and send your CVs in order to join the community as an open source contributor. So if you need to send some unique message, you can go here to the media page or write to any other social network community. So the project looks very attractive and reliable. So let's wait a little what way it will acting further. So, thank you for attention. See you next time.